YouTube, this is Lily unboxing. Today I want to make this unboxing of these so popular shoes. This is Dior 23 Oblique. This is so very popular. The sneaker is okay. And now let me check these shoes. Firstly, you can check these shoes on the back. Okay. Now check the shoes on the front. You can check the converse so clean toe box. Okay. Now check the shoes on this side. The converse so good shape. Next, check the shoes from this side. Okay. And next, let me check this Dior box. First, you got this black Dior box, and let me open the box. What else you will get? Firstly, you got this Dior handbag in white. And next, let me check here. Right here is this Dior card. And next, here, right here, this is the Dior desk bag. Gorgeous. Next, this is the receipt. Okay. In this card. Okay. In these two actual dust bag. Also, the come with this white paper with transparent. Okay, that's all the details on the box. Okay. Now let me close the box. Show you guys the shoes now. Firstly, I want to show these shoes in this side. You will see you got this Dior patch right here. You can check this section. You can check this very great detail on the here. Okay. And now let me check this a little yellow section right here. You can check this quality in this section is very gorgeous. It's so great. Now move to the toe box. You got very clean toe box right here. You can check this very clean midsole. Okay. From this side, you got nothing right this section. It's nothing right here. Clean midsole. And now let me check this upper. You got this transparent material on this side. You got this so many D O in these letters right here. It's very beautiful. And you can check this is two hole right here. Okay, you can check this texture. It's so nice. Okay. And now check this bag. You got this bag. It comes with this one. You can check this button in white leather. And also got this very clean list on the back. You can check this size tag on the back side. And now let me show this button. You got this button. It's very clean on the button, and you got this Dior on the button, and you can check this. This is so beautiful pattern right here. Okay, gorgeous. Okay, this is so beautiful shoes. Now let me check last here. This left side. In from this side, so gorgeous shoes on the bottom. And now let me have a look inside. You got this white insole with black leather. And now let me check this laces. You got this so soft, flat white laces. This quality is so great. Okay. You can check the tips. Wonderful. Okay. Next, let me check this shoe tongue. You got this shoe tongue. It looks so good. Okay. Okay. Here is some details on this Dior 23 Oblique. If you like these shoes, you can directly contact Lily or go to my website kickstock.net. Next, let me show you these food reviews. Okay, I hope you enjoy it.